Okay, we've got our advanced search algorithm here, asking for the name of the file, and then it'll just be empty. Then we'll look at trivial file, search for trivial, found it, run it again, this time looking for something that's not there, name not found. We'll move on to languages. We're looking for C++, found it. Looking for languages again, Lisp, not found. Then we will move on to countries. We're looking for United States of America. Found it. And then one more time, except for this time just United States, which should not be in there. Perfect.